So, a challenge that comes to mind with implementing the UDL model in vocational training is the lack of continuity with the students. Often in vocational training, we teach, a variety of competencies, some of them as short as 15 hours. So compared to like the youth sector or adult education, where a teacher may have a group of students for the entire academic year or for several years, in vocational training we may have a group that we have once in our entire schedule for 15 hours. The challenge to establish a trusting relationship, have the student feel that we know them, we know what their needs are, and to really be able to identify barriers in students' learning, that's one of the biggest challenges.